Be ready. Start. The learned amicus curiae complained of the deliberate exclusion of the advocates from being considered for appointment as judicial members in a majority of tribunals by the 2020 rules. Stop. It was argued that in respect of 7 tribunals bracket start such as Central Administrative Tribunal, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, Customs, Excise and Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal, etc. bracket close. The 2020 rules impose a new condition whereby advocates without 25 years of experience are ineligible. Stop. It is submitted that there is nothing in provisions of the Finance Act 2017 with respect to exclusion from consideration of advocates nor any restrictive condition, and on the other hand the parent enactments and previously existing rules enabled advocates bracket start who were eligible to be appointed as judges of high courts bracket close to be considered for appointment for these tribunals. Stop. The learned amicus curiae argued that it would be very difficult for competent and successful advocates in the concerned field to uproot themselves and accept membership of tribunals if they are to be eligible at the late age of 50 years, and resultantly those less competent would be willing contrary to public interest. Stop. The Attorney General had submitted that exclusion of advocates was a matter of policy and that the eligibility condition wherever they could be considered in some tribunals of 25 years practice was to bring about parity with members of the Indian legal service who could in some instances be considered for appointment as judicial members. Stop. During the submissions, the Attorney General had fairly stated that the 2020 rules will be amended, making advocates eligible for appointment in the tribunals where they are presently excluded under the 2020 rules as judicial members, provided they have 25 years of experience. Stop. This is in line with the previous rulings of this court that advocates and retired judges are to be considered as judicial members of tribunals. Stop. Furthermore, this court notices that the 2017 rules did not exclude advocates from consideration, nor did they impose restrictive eligibility conditions such as 25 years of experience. Stop para. The learned amicus curiae submitted that stipulation of 25 years of experience would be a serious handicap in selecting meritorious candidates from among advocates. Stop. He suggested that advocates with the standing of 15 years at the bar should be made eligible for being considered for appointment as judicial members to the tribunals. Stop. The learned amicus curiae further submitted that advocates should be made eligible for appointment to single member tribunals, particularly to be the debt recovery tribunals, as their experience in law can be suitably utilized. Stop. It is the submission of learned Attorney General that though the Constitution prescribes that an advocate having experience of 10 years can be considered for appointment as a judge of a high court, normally an advocate is considered only after he attains the age of 45 years. Stop. He suggested that an experience of 25 years at the bar would make advocates at the age of 47-48 years eligible for appointment as judicial members of the tribunals. Stop.